Welcome to the Minos demo. We're going to use Minos to create a microservices architecture. For this example, we will create a wallet for stocks, but we could create a microservice architecture for any kind of business. The envisioned architecture would look like this. It will have a front connected to the microservices through an API gateway, a Kafka broker, and a discovery service. All of this will be automatically configured by the Minos CLI. We begin by creating the project. In this case, we will call it Stock Wallet. The CLI will then ask the project name, the description, and the deployment method. In this case, we will choose Docker Compose. Next, we add the first microservice, which will be the wallet. The CLI will ask us for the name of the microservice, the version, the description, and the deployment method. The Minos CLI has created a complete microservices structure with all the command services, query services, and aggregate. We are going to see these functionalities more in detail. First, we are going to manage the data model of the microservice. For this, Minos offers the entities and the class aggregate that contains the commands to manage all entities. For this project, we are going to add the wallet, root entity, and the ticker. Next is the command service. In Minos, a microservice integrates automatically a CQRS pattern. The command service handles all write operations. Now we begin with the query service. The query service deals with the read operations. It's possible to use any database or library, but Minos offers by default an integration with SQL Alchemy. The project already offers a repository pattern where read operations may be added. Lastly, we are going to manage the read operations in the query service. The service, on top of managing the HTTP GET calls, manages the domain events like wallet created and wallet updated. The first microservice has been created. We are going to create the second one now, the stocks microservice. This follows essentially the same process as we did on the first one. However, in the command service of this microservice, we have added a periodic process. Every minute, this service will look for the ticker values that have been added to the wallet. Then, it will send the events with this information. It's time to launch it. We started the Docker Compose. With just one command, we are configuring the entire microservice infrastructure. Now it's time to test it. For this, we have created a simple web page to see what happens in the back end. Through this web page, we're going to add a wallet and add a new ticker. In this example, we will use IBM. Now, the stock is sending event streams to the wallet with the IBM stock valuations. This is an event. Now, the wallet microservice has been updated with the new stock valuations. You can see this in the graph. With Minos, we have created these microservices in minutes. But you can use Minos to create any kind of microservices you want. You will see that it's faster and more efficient. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you did, feel free to try it on GitHub.